There's like a small, this is from the inside of the house. I put it here so that the cat can smell it. Look now, small green on my finger. Put it there in front of Mimi. Here, Mimi, Mimi, Mimi. Hi. Yeah. See what happens now. I wonder why the cat will react so much to the smell. Look, it wants to lay in it, like, can't get enough of it. So very strange. I put it in front of Donald, look. Take it in my finger, like this. And I put it in front of Donald here. See what happens to Donald. See, no reaction. But Mimi is a lady, and we put it in front of Mimi here. Ow! She attacked my finger. Here, ha, ha. Dino. There. Weird. That's so weird. Look. Why is it like this? See, Donald has no reaction. Well, Mimi is the lady. She has a reaction right away. Oh, she's sneezing. This is so strange. So very strange. Hmm?